unscrew the screws on the cab floor. If you have a mat, remove it first. Remove the bottom panel and take care to pull out the plug on the bottom panel. Remove the bottom panel to see the location of the original car head unit. Remove the modules and wiring harnesses of the Carplay product. Unplug the video cable, red plug, from the original car head unit. Remove Carplay's LVDS cable and connect one end to the head unit. Connect Carplay's LVDS cable with the original car's video cable. Unplug the main line from the head unit. Take out the Carplay main cable and connect it to the original car head unit. Connect the other end of the Carplay main line with the original car main line. Connect Carplay's LVDS cable and main line plug to the box. Take out the AUX cable of Carplay and dock it with the 4-pin plug on the main line. Then connect the AUX cable to the Carplay AUX USB adapter. Connect the Carplay AUX USB adapter to the original car's Type-C connector. Connect Carplay's USB cable to the box. Similarly, connect Carplay's Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna. The dialing code on the module can be changed according to the dialing table according to the screen size of the original car. The Carplay box can be fixed to the space inside the cab floor with adhesive backing. Carplay installation is complete. Restore the original car layout. Enter the multimedia interface in the original vehicle system, and select USB audio. Long press the back button to switch the Carplay system. You can enter the Bluetooth interface to view Carplay Bluetooth name and other information. The phone enters the setting interface to open Bluetooth, search for and connect to Carplay Bluetooth. Click Pair and Allow. Click Use Carplay. If you connect successfully, you can enjoy wireless Carplay.
这是应该加减。这是触摸控制。看一下，这是触摸控制。
不见哟。今天这个怎么没见过呀？
这是排放音量加减。
全程18公里，大约需要26分钟，请行驶到东南门。
这是语音控制。
高德地图持续为您导航。
打电话给10086。
正在给10086打电话。
支持电话接听挂断。只能倒车。